Hi, this is Monster Restorer 91, and today I'm gonna change the cabin air filter. So basically you replace this every 12 months to 15,000 miles to remove interior materials, tobacco, smoke, dirt, dust, and pollen, especially right now since we're heading to spring already. It's gonna be a lot of pollen, and where I live it's nothing but dirt, so it's good to change it every 12 months or 15,000 miles. Okay, to get started, what you will need is no basic tools. Just open the glove box, remove everything inside. You're gonna see a little latch right here on the inside, on the right side. So what you do is move this up so it could slide. So you just slide it up, and maybe you can see like that. I already slide it up, so it's already slide. Then you just pull out like that. So now you're gonna compress this side and the other side right here too with your both hands. Just push it in and you should remove it. Okay, like I said, you're gonna remove the this right here. You can do it on one side first and then the other side. See the stops right here? There's one stop right here, and the other one's the same thing as over here on the left side. So you just drop it down. Usually you have the rails right here. See? It's a stop. So this is where it stops, the rails right here. And right here. So now you locate the air filter. It's gonna be right there. So what you do is you're gonna press the clip right here and the other one right here carefully. I know this is plastic, so you're gonna remove that, and then you're gonna set down the the door for the cabin air filter at the same time on both sides. And then you lower down the cap, the door. Okay, so I already removed it. It is very dusty. There you go. It's already dusty, so remember the airflow. Make sure the airflow is pointing down. So when you put on the new one, make sure the arrow is pointing down. You could see it's dirty. You could put it in the sun. You can't see anything. Look at all that dust. See? So it's time to change. So now we're gonna open this new one. Right here. So there's a new one. Remember, like I said, the airflow points down. It's brand new. Remove the plastic because it was wrapped. You don't want to put it with plastic. So now You just basically do the same thing, put it in there, right here, and snap it back in, and snap everything back in, and then you should be done. Also, I forgot to mention to make sure to use the old one and make sure if it's the same size. I know it might be different, but certain things, so make sure it's the same size. I know it's gonna look different. This is the original one. So this one I bought it at the auto parts store. So I know it's gonna be different, the color. So yeah, this is how you do it. Okay, I'm putting it in, and it could be tricky on the left side. It's already going in, see? The arrow flow pointing down. I know it could be tricky right here on the left side, but it's possible to do it. So make sure it goes all the way in how it's supposed to be. And then you snap it back. You'll hear the 2 clicks right here. And the other one right here. So now you're gonna press on both sides so this thing could go in, the stops on both sides. So see, it hits right there. So you're gonna have to press both of them in at the same time, or you could do it on one side first. See? So you just push it in there. See? Now it stops right there. Now the other side too. So now it already stops, see? But you also have to put the other thing, the other clip. Put it in the hole. See? Put it in the hole right there, and then you slide it down until you hear a little click. See? It's already in. So, right there. See? Easy installation. So this is how you do the cabin air filter.